Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a local chatbot within Canva AI or within Canva platform that you can directly interact with, ask a question about a particular design that you have worked, and it can be trained on that particular design that you have within Canva. So for this tutorial, let's say I'm going to use this website. It's a website on the Grand Resort Hotel. You can see the details: classic grandeur meets modern elegance, and so on. Very detailed as regards the hotel. You can see the details, even the design, what you'll be offered, and some key informations regarding the hotel. Okay, down here you have office hours and guest ratio, reservation office, and so on. So let's say I'm going to create a local chatbot that we can easily use when you publish this website to ask questions, to turn on reservations, even to ask direct if available rooms are filled up or if they are still available. So let's say for this I'm going to come over. I've logged in, I have this, and then can come directly to apps. This is going to be using Jotform AI chatbot, which you can search. You can come to apps and then you can go ahead and search for Jotform AI chatbot, just like so, and you can see it over here. You can just select, and then you see it here, the first option, Jotform AI chatbot. So for this case, we are going to use it. And then so once you click, you have the option to create an AI chatbot, or you can sign up and log in. But Jotform AI also is domiciled in Canva, so you can go ahead and create directly. So let's go ahead and create a chatbot directly. So it is going to read this particular design that we have and everything, all the content, and it's going to train and generate a very simple chatbot that we can use for this particular case. So right now, in a matter of seconds, you can see we have our chatbot created. It is located in here at the top of the page. We can actually click and move it to any position. We can see this is the point where you can ask questions and so on. So you'll be able to see the response. Now, when you look at it, if you want it to be on this page, you can keep it here. Or if you want it to be on a specific page, you can move it to that particular page. So let's say I want to move it to this page. I can come over here, select it and do Control X. And then possibly I want it to move to this page. I can bring it in here and let's do Control V or Command V on Mac to paste it. Now while selected, you can see you have these much options as regards what you can change. For example, you can change this and make the chatbot Epic AI, for example, and then you can say a hotel assistant. Right, so down here you have the option to change the layout from the available one. This is bubble. You can go to card, you can go to minimal, you can go to chart, and whichever one is selected, once you click on save the changes, it is going to appear here and you'll be able to see it. Okay, and then the name and title color, you can change it from white to something maybe more colorful. You can select any, and then this is the background color you can change, and then the chat text and button color, you can change all of this if you're interested and make it a bit darker or thereabout. Okay, so let's say I have it on chat and I click on save. Let's see what this is going to get me. All right, so I kind of like this, and I can position it well, and then I can be able to directly ask my question. So I can click and go ahead and ask my question. Can you tell me about the website in general? Right, so let's see. So this actually enables you to kind of quickly chat and have information about the website. It's a grand result, welcomes visitors with a message highlighting unmatched luxury and home away from home experience. So this is the detail about it, and if you want, you can be specific about the kind of, maybe we can say, what's the price of an executive suite over here. All right, so you can ask general questions from here, and then if you want more, you can go to advanced features. So you are about to leave Canva, you can say yes to this, and then you can be able to train the model based on the kind of information that you have on the website and so on. All right, so I'd like to learn more, so you can come to train. Okay, so this is train, and then you can have knowledge. You can have the knowledge directly, files, you can upload a file, you can have links to websites, and then questions and answers you can provide, so it becomes knowledgeable of what you are going to. So these are unanswered questions. You can check over here and you'll be able to see what is the price of an executive suite, so you can provide the answer. This is question that someone answer and the chatbot could not answer actually. So can you give me the office hours in this website? It is not answered as well. So you, from your own end, you can check the knowledge base and be able to correct or add the details. You have actions over here, and then you have tools that you can access, and you have forms you can create, you can teach your agent different things. At that moment, it doesn't know much about what we are doing, and it can be trained as well. So this is the building form. You can see the greetings page, you can see conversations page, yeah, you can see history. All right, so you can just go ahead and explore and see how, in what way you can be able to use this to your own advantage to create. And this place, this is where you create the persona. You can give the agent the details of how you want it to behave and so on. Agent role, default language, tone of voice. You can always define all of that from here. Okay, so this concludes this simple tutorial on the use of Canva to create an AI chatbot that you can actually use directly on your Canva or on your website. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.